The Grave Digger is probably one of the first steel mace exercises you'll come across if it's not based on doing a 360 swing. So, the Steel Mace Grave Digger, we want an upward thumb grip, and the key here is to lunge low. You want to take a big step forward, lunge low, take your mace head as if it's a spade and dig down. Don't quite touch the floor, but get nice and low. Power off your front leg and throw the mace head up at the same time, like you're throwing the dirt over your shoulder. Now, what a lot of people do is they step forward and then lean forward. That puts a lot of pressure on your lower back if you're doing this for a high number of repetitions. So what we want to make sure we do is come down, go low with the knee, but don't touch the floor, especially not with your back knee and not with your spade. Dig and then power, throw to the sky, and you can switch hands and alternate your reps, or just go for a set number of reps on one side and of course match that on the other.